So I finished doing the gardening and it was very, very achieving, and I think I chopped down more than I expected. So now my garden looks pretty bare. So you can see that I cut down all the eggplant trees, so I left one. Hopefully that'll rebloom. I've cleaned all this out so you can see my chilies now. I left another eggplant in here, but I've actually cleaned up all my garden bed, ready to do my winter or autumn sowing. I trimmed my fig tree plant. I took all the beans out of here, as you can see, and there's nothing left in there, so I'm going to plant some stuff in here. And I trimmed down this section here, took out the beans that were in here. I took out the coriander that was in here, and I'll prepare the ground for the next harvest. So tomorrow I will tell you what will go in there and how I will prepare the harvest. But it gave me so much joy doing that today. I really needed to de-stress. So my de-stressors are gardening and cooking. And today I also did some cooking, and I made a coconut lemon tart, which we'll see in previous videos to come, and the recipe will be there in What's Cooking. Have a fantastic weekend, guys.